Today, we're going to learn about the inspiring life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism and the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus. His teachings guide us on a path of kindness, unity, and truth. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in 1469 in a village called Talwandi, now known as Nankana Sahib, located in present-day Pakistan. From a young age, he showed a deep love for spirituality and God. He treated everyone with compassion and believed in equality. His father was a farmer and wanted Nanak to follow in his footsteps. But Nanak's heart was always drawn toward the divine. One day, as a young man, Guru Nanak had a profound vision of God. From that day on, he began spreading the message of Ek Onkar. There is one God, present in all. He spoke against divisions like caste, race, and status, teaching that love, service, and equality are the true paths to God. Guru Nanak Ji traveled widely on 4 great journeys called Udasis, sharing his teachings of unity and compassion. He visited many lands, inspiring people of different religions and backgrounds with his wisdom. He taught that to connect with God, one must follow the path of love, service, and truth. The essence of his teachings can be summed up in 3 principles: Nam Japna, meditate, and remember God. Kirat Karni, work honestly, and earn your livelihood with dignity. Vanchakna, share what you have with those in need. Guru Nanak Dev Ji did not discriminate based on religion, caste, or background. He taught that all human beings are children of the same God, and that we should live together in harmony. His life and teachings encourage us to walk the path of truth, kindness, and selfless service. Guru Nanak's message is still deeply relevant today. His teachings remind us of the importance of unity, love, and compassion. His story inspires us to live peacefully and find true happiness through serving others. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mini Masters. Remember, truth, honesty, and love are the true guiding lights of life. See you next time with another inspiring story.